Hello, I'm Mansi. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been so long since I last said it. I don't even remember when was the last time I sat down to make a YouTube video. It's just been that long. So what we're going to do in today's video is I uploaded this story where I asked you all to drop some questions and now I'm going to answer them. But I know in my other Q&As there were a lot of questions that I couldn't get back to, so I'm also doing that in this video. A moment for the makeup. So the first question is, are you rich or you come from a rich family? Good question. I don't know if I am rich or I would call myself rich, and no, I absolutely do not come from a rich family, but I do come from a family where I got everything that you need in life, all the basic necessities plus some more. Next question is, so I took a drop after 12th and I have no clue what to do now. Any guidance would help. Okay, so it all comes down to what you have interest in. See, because choosing a degree is a very very big decision. Very big decision. Okay, it's going to basically alter your life in a very specific pathway, so you have to take that decision very mindfully. Okay, but I would say that do not take decisions like this in a hurry or under a pressure. Okay, take some time, find things that really interests you, see what your mind is really capable of, because see, the things that interests you, you will show the more and more progress in that field only. Okay, and if you would go for something that you will dread doing, it will get really hard for you to succeed in that field. So to summarize it all up, take your time, find your interest and go after it. Your skincare routine, it's actually really small and really simple. Both my makeup and my skincare routine, both of them are very simple and very basic. Okay, but still very effective. So if you want me to make a video on it, let me know and I'll make it. Your hair cut name, अभी मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि ये कौन सा कट है. मेरी मम्मी करती है मेरे हेयर कट, एवर सिंस आई वाज अ किड वही करती आ रही हैं. मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है ये कौन सा है. ओके, कुछ मंथ्स पहले तुमने आईडी डीएक्टिवेट क्यों की? जब तक मैंने डीएक्टिवेट नहीं की थी, ये चीज़ मैंने तब भी बताई थी कि सोशल मीडिया इज़ नॉट समथिंग जो जिसको लेके मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस हूँ, जिसे मैं सीरियस करियर पाथ की तरह देखती हूँ. नहीं, मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि सीरियस करियर पाथ नहीं है, बट मैं अपने लिए इसे ऐसे नहीं देखती हूँ. ठीक है, आई जस्ट सी इट एज समथिंग जिसमें मैं अपनी क्रिएटिविटी डाल सकूँ, जिसमें मैं अपने थॉट्स एक्सप्रेस कर सकूँ, जिसमें मैं सुंदर ट्रांजेक्शन्स बना सकूँ, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो मैंने कभी इतना सीरियसली लिया नहीं. बट द थिंग इज़ कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जॉस्ट हो जाती हूँ अगर मैं बहुत लंबे टाइम तक सोशल मीडिया करूँ. मैं अगर रेगुलरली वीडियोस बना रही हूँ और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हूँ, लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ, स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ, तो मेरा दिमाग ऐसे धरती पे गिरता है कि मतलब आई गेट रियली एग्जॉस्टेड एंड आई एम नॉट ब्लाइंड टू इट सीरियसली. और मैं इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ. और मैंने जब डीएक्टिवेट किया था उसके बेसिकली 2 रीज़न्स थे. एक रीज़न यही था कि मैं बहुत एग्जॉस्ट हो गई थी, मेरे अंदर कोई पोटेंशियल नहीं थी क्रिएट करने की, कोई विल नहीं थी कुछ भी क्रिएट करने की. सो मुझे लगा कि दिस इज़ द राइट मोमेंट फॉर अ ब्रेक. आई टुक द ब्रेक. दूसरी चीज़ ये थी कि मेरा सेकेंड ईयर ख़त्म हुआ था और मैं थर्ड ईयर में जाने वाली थी और इंजीनियरिंग के. और उस टाइम तक मैंने कोई इंटर्नशिप नहीं की थी, कोई मतलब कुछ नहीं किया हुआ था. मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली नई स्किल्स सीख रही थी, बट दैट वाज इट. मैं चाहती थी कि मेरी जॉब लगनी चाहिए. इंटर्नशिप्स करी, प्लेसमेंट की तैयारी करी, कंपनीज़ में जाके इंटरव्यूज़ दिए. दैट वाज व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग व्हाइल आई वाज अवे. योर फेवरेट एडिक्शन? वेट, आई विल शो यू. दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट एडिक्शन, क्रीम रोल. मैं पूरा डब्बा उठा के ले आई थी ख़रीद के, ठीक है, 300 रुपये का. अब इसमें सिर्फ 2 बचे हैं. आई लव क्रीम रोल्स. और चाय। लाइक ये मेरे आई थिंक क्रीम रोल तो मेरा करंट एडिक्शन है, लेकिन मेरा फॉर एवर एडिक्शन चाय है। मैं मतलब थक रही हूँ तो मुझे चाय चाहिए, नींद आ रही हूँ चाय चाहिए, जग रही हूँ चाय चाहिए, मतलब इट्स लाइक मेरी सिगरेट है वो बेसिकली। हाउ यू स्किन इज सो ग्लोइंग। हल्की सी केयर रखना, बी माइंडफुल अबाउट वॉट यू आर ईटिंग, वॉट यू आर पुटिंग ऑन योर फेस, इन सब चीज़ों से काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है, तो मे बी दैट्स वाई। योर निक नेम। मानू मेरा घर का निक नेम है। आई एम 20 year old and I haven't done any internship yet. So how can I get an internship? Two things. You need basic skills and a lot of confidence. It's okay. It's not a big deal कि आप 20 साल के और आपने कोई internship नहीं की है, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is very common. In fact, that happens a lot. And that's okay. You will get. Next question. Are you in physical relation with somebody? I think you are so disciplined and high standard girl. That's a really weird thing to ask, girl, but okay. I am not in any physical relationship with anyone. I don't get the concept of physical relationships. I think it takes away a part of you. I have no interest in physical relationships. And thank you for the compliment. Who is your old best friend and you still talk with her? So I had only 2 girl best friends from my school life, and I don't talk to any of them now. Next. Which newspaper do you read every day? I saw your reel, so I want to know so I can start reading it too. I would say don't read any one specific newspaper, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर बिके हुए हैं, कोई रियल न्यूज़ ही नहीं दिखाता है. So what I do is I read multiple newspapers. आज एक पढ़ लिया, कल दूसरा पढ़ लिया, ऐसे. I don't stick to one because I think everyone is trying to push propaganda. I hate that. But मैं first post एक अकाउंट है यूट्यूब पे, दे पोस्ट अ वीडियो डेली ऑफ current affairs. Maybe watch that. How's life been after moving to Mumbai? My life has taken like 180, I would say. A lot of good things have happened, obviously. I'm forever grateful that I got the opportunity to come here. You know, ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to come to Mumbai one day because I'm a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan and he talks so highly about this city. I would say that things are definitely so much better here than they are back at home in terms of so many things. But when it comes to my life, especially, my whole family is back there, so I miss home through and through. But the city has a lot of opportunities to offer, a lot of growth to offer. I think अब क्योंकि मैं अकेली रहती हूँ और I have to handle a lot of things alone, and this is such a big city. When I eventually came here, I knew no one. Like, I didn't know anything about this whole place, and I just got to know as I spent more and more time here, and it has gotten better with time, I would say. That's it. But definitely I think my life has taken a 180. I have lost a lot of people and I have gained a lot of people, but at the end I'm just really grateful to be here because it is one of those moments in my life where I can see myself growing so much. I can see my potential. I found so many new interests, so many new hobbies, activities that I really like and enjoy after coming to this city, talking to new people. I learned a lot of new cultural practices. Yeah, I think it's a really great experience. I highly recommend going to a new city and living alone for a while. How long it will take you to reach here and you never shared your struggle story? My struggle story? See, I know a lot of people on the internet share their struggle stories constantly, but I really don't want to be known for my struggles. I share all my learnings. I think that's what matters. I hear people's problems a lot, and when someone is telling me something that I have been through, I always tell them that I went through the same thing and this is what I did and I think this is what you should do. आपको जो प्रमोशन में प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, क्या आप उन्हें बेच देती हैं? No, I have kept every single product that I've ever received. Even मैंने जो gloss लगा रखी है अभी, I received it in PR. जो मैंने blush लगा रखा है, I received it in PR. I still use all of the items. Seriously, like why would I sell them? Donate करना एक चीज़ हो गई, but why would I sell them? Okay, next question. Random thought, but what type of person usually makes you feel understood? The people who listen and actually remember the details. This is a little weird question, but okay, अगर किसी पेशेंट को किसी थॉट से प्रॉब्लम हो और वो उसे भुला ना पाए तो क्या करे? पेशेंट, आई एम नॉट अ थेरेपिस्ट, but if you do have a problem or a thought that has stuck in your head, then the only thing that you can do to uproot it is to find its root cause. Okay, find why is it affecting you and why that one specific thought means so much to you that you're thinking about it over and over. Where has it originated from? If it's true or false, and if it's true, what can you do to make it better? And if it's false, you need to cut the roots. That's it. Hey, love your content. Is it content or is it content? Wanna ask what skills and hobbies a woman should include in her life? Woman, okay. I would say definitely read a lot, क्योंकि बचपन से इतनी grooming की जाती है that you are being shielded from a lot of topics that are really really important. फाइनेंस की बातें कभी लड़कियों से करी नहीं जाती घर में, बट इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो. और हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ कभी बताए नहीं जाते, कभी खुले तरीके से डिस्कस नहीं किए जाते. यू नीड टू रीड अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स टू बी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द न्यूज़ ऑल्सो. You should know what's happening around you, how is it affecting you, how is it affecting your life, and yeah. So basically reading, definitely. Also do journaling, just to become a better person in life. Know what you like, know what you don't like, and journaling helps with that. Like when you see all of your thoughts on a paper, you understand yourself better. So start journaling. And if you want to start any like creative hobby, I would say try painting, maybe drawing. सुडोकू वगैरह भी आप कर सकते हो. It really helps you develop your mind. बाकी I would have to think about it in detail, because there are a lot of hobbies that you should do. When can you make makeup vlogs? Whenever you want, girly. You want me to make it now, I'll make it. It's really simple. Okay, not a question, but just want to say that I will always be your well-wisher, and may God bless you. Thank you so much for all the lovely messages that you guys leave in my Q&A box and in my DMs. I am really grateful, and I'm not just saying it like every other influencer or creator says. I truly feel every single kind word that comes my way, and of course if it's unkind, I throw it back to their faces, but you know what I mean. I deeply respect the people who have the courage to appreciate other people, because not a lot of people have that. Okay, let me tell you, अगर आप दूसरों की तारीफ़ कर सकते हो, genuinely उन्हें as a human being देख सकते हो just as you are, that is exceptional. This is it for today's video. मुझे और भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे बात करनी है जो मैं बाकी वीडियोस में आके करूँगी. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.